All right, so we can do something a little different here today. A few months ago, I made a ginger icy smoothie combination a little bit. I did one with just ginger. I did one with ginger and oranges, which really came out surprisingly awesome. I could do ginger and probably fresh mint because I have that. But right now I'm going to do just the ginger because I'm trying a sparkling water. So instead of just the boiled ginger that you see in there with a little bit of raw honey, it's been sitting over the fridge overnight. I got it all flavored. It's really strong ginger flavor. I did it with like ice last time and a little bit of this cream. If you can see that, I don't know. Anyway, non-GMO and all that kind of stuff. And I added this vitamin stuff last time. If you don't know about it, it's veggies and fruits and stuff, but it's also 2 different kinds of red algae. And the crystal structure on the red algae, is easier to digest. They say in their scientific research lately that it's better than cow's milk and better than getting it from minerals like rocks, because most people don't realize that calcium comes from like a rock form. So this is really awesome. I've been using it for a while. So this will be new. I didn't do sparkling water. It was good, the icy in the smoothie, because what I did is put a little ice in it afterwards in this, in the blender, and then I put it in the freezer for a little bit, and then I let it thaw out, and then I blended it up. It was good. It was really good, but because I had a carbonated version that was a free gift to me from one of my online stores in a can of like a ginger premix with cardamom and cinnamon and whatever else was in it, that bubbling flavor with the cream and everything was really good. So I'm going to try this sparkling natural mineral water and see what happens, see if it comes out good like that or not. Okay, I didn't put much of the cream in, although it looks really, really white. It's not really creamy because I only put a little bit in because I do a little at a time to see. And this is a decent kind, but as you can see, it's mostly like water, not much cream. My other one is out of stock, which is virtually 95% or more solid cream. Really awesome. So right now it tastes really good. It's really spicy. Woo, I did a lot of that ginger. Wow. So I'm gonna probably add a little more cream first, just to see, and then I'm gonna add in this sparkling water stuff. Okay, that was awesome. I didn't use much, as you can see, but it has an effect, and I'm not gonna go overboard on it. I like the way it is. I added a little bit more of this to bring back some more ginger flavor. That extra cream that I added was good. Yeah, it's really, really tasty. Now it's not so spicy gingery, but you definitely know it's ginger. And the cream went so well, and the sparkling water worked. I thought maybe it would like fizz out or dissipate. Let me try this again. Yeah, it's got a nice kick to it. The sparkling water kind of fizzes out a little bit, and it might even fizz out more in the cream. I don't know. I'm not a scientist about this, but the cream may take some of that fizz away. If it does, after this is chilled and a little bit on the frozen side, and I blend it up again, I'll just add a little more if I have to, right there, or even stir a little into my own glass. But this is awesome. So it's just the ginger. After the ginger boils for a while, then I put in a little bit of raw honey. I don't like things overly sweet, so you do it whatever you want. Then I put it in a blender, like you saw. I add this kind of stuff. I get this online anywhere. Whatever kind of cream you want and however much you want. And whatever kind of sparkling water. And that's awesome. Came out really good. Really, really going to enjoy this later. It's hot today, too. It's like 85. And what I might do is 1 glass and then blend some fresh mint into it and have a second glass. All right? Lots of love to you. Bye-bye.